Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're gonna keep it moving. We gotta keep it moving. Today, we have a little small thing that we're doing with the Z here. And that is pretty simple. We're actually gonna install new door locks. I'm gonna show you how to pretty much install them with, I guess with what I have going on right now. But I at least wanna get this done, so there can at least be some type of progress. So let's get to it. All right, so we have here the Z door. What we're looking at here is that right there. So taking off this clip, that's right there, off with a flathead screwdriver, and pretty much just connecting that plastic piece. As you can see right there in the black. All right, as you guys can see there. Hopefully you guys can see there. But the plastic piece is off. And the little bracket, which is this piece here, is off. So now I just have to pull that rod off from the plastic piece of the door lock there. All right, now as you can see, this rod here is now off from this black plastic piece, and now we can pretty much just push out the door lock now, like so. And it's pretty dark, but just push it out like that. Close the door a bit, and you can see this thing is out. Wiggle, wiggle. All right, so this is the old one here, and this is the new one. The only difference really is just the plastic piece. This one just it doesn't have this extra locking for the rod here. That kind of sucks. But everything else does seem to look the same. So it's just a matter of just throwing this on there. And let me show you how. Pretty much in reverse order here. All right, just maneuver it a little bit here. Go. Slide it in there. Push it up. Perfect. There you go. Oh, it sucks right there. Open the door and we are back in here. As you guys can see, it's just a matter of connecting that rod back on that clear plastic piece there, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and throw it in there real quick to make things a little bit easier for you, because I know you trying to push in that rod is gonna be a little bit of a pain because we're still missing this. So make sure to slide this in first so it can lock in place. That way the rod can actually go inside and not push out the door lock out. And as you guys can see, the tab right there, the rod is onto that clear tab or the plastic thing. And that's pretty much it. Well, let's pretty much test it out. All right, now let's see here. It's up and it's down. Up, down, up, down. Nice. And there you go. That's how you install new door locks on your Datsun Z. Finally, it's nice having keys to the doors of the car. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future content. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.